To preview Windows on your Windows 11 PC, start running Windows 11 Insider Preview builds, the process that is also known as flighting. Find the Start menu by selecting the Windows button or keyboard key. Select Settings. Within your device's settings, select Windows Update. At the bottom, find Windows Insider Program. Select Get Started to join the Windows Insider program. Link your registered Microsoft account and sign in. Then, select Canary Channel, Dev Channel, Beta Channel, or Release Preview Channel. Review the agreements for your device and that's it! Let's restart now to start getting Windows 11 Insider Preview builds. After your PC has restarted, Windows will automatically install preview builds, or you can manually check for builds on the Windows Update page in Settings. Once the new preview build is installed, you can start flighting Windows 11.